Hello po. So, ito yung ating template for 2551 and 1701 template. So, meron tayong DD list. So, list of clients and list of suppliers. So, chart of accounts. I-edit lang to. Dito yung sales entry. So, dito siya. So, connected na po yung clients dyan. So, pwede ka mag-separate ng sales and service income. So, meron lang dito siyang automatic na summary. Same with expenses. So, connected na yung suppliers. And then, connected to sa chart of accounts. So, meron din siyang summary dito. And then, ito automatic na po yung cash receipts tsaka yung cash disbursement. So, no need to it will serve as your guide na. So, meron na rin siyang income statement, naka-automatic. And then, yung BAR reports natin, automatic po to guide natin for 2551 and then to 1701. So, automatic na po siyang computation. Yun lang. Thank you.